$250. Normal price $199. Okay.
Tour.
If you guys want to see the whole island, the #1 tour is the Circle Island, the Grand Circle Island tour, where you go to all the beaches. You go to all the beaches. When you get to Turtle Beach, we swim 1 hour. We snorkel 1 hour with the giant turtles. We stop at all the food locations. Okay, we bring snacks and beverages, but we're local. So for adults, we bring coolers. Okay? The last 2 stops is the Dole Pineapple Plantation. Have you heard about that?
Yeah.
We went there
45.
yesterday.
Oh, okay. You got a car?
Huh?
You guys got a car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You don't need a tour then.